And good morning, folks. Aaron here, Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Got something sweet to bring to you. We specialize in premium pre-owned. I got it right here. Check it out. This is the Leisure Travel. Well, let's start 2020. Let's start with the year. 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB. This thing is awesome. Make these things up in Canada. Pretty much handcrafted. These things are the pinnacle of the RV industry. We do have our nice spare tire right off the back end here. We do have a 2-inch receiver off the back end for towing, plus the backup camera already installed, of course. Beautiful storage compartment in here for you. It does have a little foldable table in there, which is awesome. That connects right over here. Got the storage boxes down below. Beautiful Carefree awning with your LED light strip. This is on the Mercedes chassis. This one's running the 3-liter V6. Does have automatic transmission, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, a whole bunch of bells and whistles from Mercedes. Come up in here. I love the color tones, the dark white in this one. And then all the cabinets are made with this rounded hardwood for you. Really kind of gives a nice feel to everything. Easy to clean, won't absorb water, won't mildew or anything like that. Nice little storage compartments up here. Of course, we got solar on board. Up front, we got all our bells and whistles here for you. I love this dinette as well. It does fold down into a third bed or a third sleeping spot if you need it. It's got these nice little fold-out wings, which is just awesome. Really, lots of touches in here for you as far as the small attentions to detail. Hand stitch on that for you. Beautiful sink, large gooseneck style faucet, 2-burner stove, TV, all right here for you. I love how this twin bed has a split bathroom, and the split bathroom makes into a a double living area, or a 2-room essentially. You have your living space and then you have your bedroom. Of course, this is, like I said, the twin bed king bed, so this will actually come together. So you got one big bed here for you. You do have storage down below, storage in there, storage up above, storage in here for you as well. Haven't got to see the toilet yet. It's hiding behind here. Lots of space in there, lots of cabinets, real wood finish, like I said, on everything. TV back here for you. I love these units. There's so much more to go over on these, and if you're wanting some more information, go ahead and reach out to me, Aaron, or somebody on the team. Have a great day.